Royal Mama here. We're gonna try on Royal Mama Things to Do. We're gonna try the popular. Everybody says viral, so I like to use a different word. Popular, the onion dumpling thing. I want to try it and see if it's good. My daughter has been craving it, so you're gonna watch us. And when I do my recipes, I like to show you guys like everything, so you know how to do it, because I feel like sometimes people leave a piece of the ingredients out or a piece of the recipe out, and then you don't know how to make it the right way. Like I made some Japanese pancakes today, and the consistency didn't make sense, so I had to actually add regular pancake mix to it. I must have done something incorrect, but the recipe that I had did not have the right consistency that I was looking for to even be able to make the pancake. It was very watery, so I was like, no, that can't be correct. Anyway, so you have to use a white onion to do this. And I'm gonna come back. My kitchen will be done in a week, but I'm gonna kind of work with what I have. So I'm gonna cut this, and then I'll come back when I have it all situated. So you're gonna use an onion, you're gonna make the dumplings, and then you put the sauces on top. So it needs to be some sort of flavored mayonnaise. They said some sort of Asian mayonnaise, but I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna be using a lime. What is it? Let me check and see what I found. So I'm going to be using, I found a avocado lime that sounded really good. So we're going to do this one by Primal Kitchens. That will go on it. And then you put on it the sauce. So I have this Gyaki sauce. I'm going to use this one, the Teriyaki Island one. So I'm going to use avocado lime, the teriyaki sauce. So we're going to make ours even a little different. So it might taste better. We don't know. And then I also want a little bit of soy sauce. So what I'm gonna do to kind of make this work is I'm gonna blend it. So I'm gonna blend it and then you just dribble it on top. So you're gonna see me make it from here to there. I gotta get a cutting board and cut my onions. Takes me a minute because I gotta do my makeshift kitchen until my kitchen's done. It will be done next week. I'm so excited. I've had to wait and sort of wait for the floor to get taken out, and then wait for the cabinets to go in, and then wait for the appliances to come. And I've waited 8 years for this, so it's not like, you know, I just have money to go update my kitchens all the time. I'm very blessed, but I had to wait like most people. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you want to get the cups going on. 1, 2. And you don't want to be too thick, because I feel like too thick would not be yummy. And you're not going to cook the onion. You're just going to have it raw. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't want the ones that are too small, because then you get gypped on the one that you get. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I can take this skin off of this one, that would be perfect. So we're gonna do the very popular onion dumpling cups with all the goodies, and I have my own sauce that I came up with. So I've got 6 little onions, make them like this. So you cut it, I would say cut it in half, and then it should do this. So you have your little cup. And then I have to go get the ingredients, so you stay here. I will be back. I don't need to pause you. Save the rest of my onion for later. I don't like to waste unless I have to. Unless it's ingredients I can't use, or it's not good or something. I like to use everything. Like we're gonna be making some spaghetti for dinner later, and my husband makes really good sauce, which I might record and share because it's ridiculous. And it's not even that difficult of a recipe. It's like, you know, you use a little bit of the sauce from the store, and it really doesn't matter which one. But if you do onions and garlic, now onions and garlic in anything is amazing. But if you do onions and garlic in your sauce, and you kind of marinate it with spices and stuff, and then you add your sauce to it, there's not a lot that tastes bad with that. So I've got my cups. Now I got to make my dumplings. So I'm going to leave you here there's where I got to go. Leave you here while I come and get my dumplings. I should have had them in here. these, you have to use a white onion. I don't know if I said that. These are Trader Joe's chicken soup dumpling steaming. These are the things you put inside of it. It's gonna be so good. So I'm gonna take this out. I don't have to do it homemade. I'm sure there is a recipe I could find online that I could make these, but it would take a lot longer than just getting them at Trader Joe's. I'm gonna take these, and they have a smell. I'm telling you, when you heat them up, it smells kind of farty, but it's really good. Minus the smell. You're going to cook the dumplings. Okay. Cooking the dumplings. And now what I will do is I will make the sauce. So my sauce is going to consist of, I'm going to point it down. First, I'm going to put this in there. And I don't think that I'm going to be able to show you guys. A little dish. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to make up the sauce that you sprinkle on top. And actually, I don't think I need to put this in there. Let's open it up though. Ow. I think I'll just do the teriyaki with. Oh, that's gonna be really good. And I know some people like spicy. I'm not a spicy person. I like it, it's just my stomach doesn't like it, so I don't touch it. So I'll put a little bit of soy sauce. And I'll put a little bit of this pineapple teriyaki stuff in there. And that's gonna go on top. And if it's good, we're gonna be eating a lot of these. So I use this on top too. Just have a little flavor. I don't know what everybody else is using. I think I see people using the chili sauce because I feel like a lot of people like spicy. I don't. So if you like it, you just drizzle that over. So you put the mayonnaise on there after you put the dumpling in. Mayonnaise, the soy sauce I'm gonna mix with the teriyaki because I like the other things that are in it. The little bit of pineapple that's in there. I think that'll have a really good flavor on it. So we're gonna add that. Hopefully this isn't spicy. Did I put? Nope, it does not have spice. Good. So now RoyalMomma things to do. I haven't been able to really focus on that channel because I have a kitchen that one was just needed updating and I haven't done it yet. So I haven't really been able to add to it. So you're gonna see there's only like 4 videos on there, but I'm gonna continually be putting that beauty stuff. So I'm 47 and I've been watching these girls on YouTube and they do gasha. I think that's how you say it, gasha. My skin looks great. And I've been kind of working with that, you know, doing my little facials that I find. You don't have to find expensive ones. You can find ones from like Target or the store and just make sure they're good for like oatmeal, avocado, just all that stuff is good. And you can make your own, so you don't even have to buy them. Leave it on your face, exfoliate. There was a lady that I saw that said if your skin's over 40 to do like a double washing. So I would say do an exfoliator, then a cleaner to kind of clean all the stuff off, then put all your stuff on. So a serum is good. An eye moisturizer, always wear SPF because I've heard that's amazing as far as keeping your skin nice, preventing the dark spots. We don't want those. So I'm gonna get my dumplings because we're losing focus. We are gonna do segments of beauty. We are gonna do segments of working out because RoyalMomma needs to get her belly in shape and I need to lose a little bit of weight. So we're gonna do that together. I'm gonna show you some of the workouts, things that I find. I find stuff everywhere. I find it online. I find it talking to people. So everything that I find, I collect and I'm like, we're gonna do it together because I don't know if I like it or if it's even gonna turn out. We're gonna go on that journey together. And then if you like it, you can watch my video and do it too. So when I cook the dumplings, the ones I get from Trader Joe's, you have to cook them for like 2 minutes and then turn them over because I like the top part to be as like good as the bottom. So I am going to, should I put them in a bowl? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put them in a bowl. I want them both to be cooked, and then you also have to let them sit because they get really hot. These are perfect. So they should look like this. Now I put them in for like an additional 30 or 40 seconds because I want them to look like that. Now when I first took them out, the top looked a little bit like, oh, it's not the way those look. And I want those to look. Now I have to let them sit because they're hot. We don't want to eat them hot because we can't enjoy it. Hot we want, but we don't want them so hot we can't eat them. So everybody gets 2. That way everybody gets to try 2. So I will have Royal Brother, or we call him B2K, which is brother to knowledge, because he always states facts to me and I either want to hear him or I don't. But he loves to do it. So sometimes I learn and sometimes I don't listen. All right, so here is this Royal Brother, and then we have Royal Baby, and she is the reason we're doing this. She is the one that was like, Mom, I really want to try it. And if you know how much I love Royal Baby, you'll know that when Royal Baby says, let's do it, I always find a way to do it. So. All right. So we're getting closer to this really cool recipe here. See if those are done. Ooh, juicy. Juicy. And the other thing I was learning today, because I hear just people that are amazing and they always like to share their knowledge. So this girl was saying that if you mix your macros correctly, that's good. Like have a protein, like a ground beef, ground turkey, and then you mix it with like a sweet potato, and then you mix it with an avocado. So if you do that, your body gets kind of this whole balance of like muscle building, fullness, and health. And I'm like, oh, that's so great. So really be careful. Make sure you add all your macronutrients in all of your meals, because it'll actually do the most for your body. And I don't know a lot more because I'm not a nutritionist, but I believe the people that are doing it, because if you look at them, you're like, oh, you're beautiful. You look great. You're in shape. And they really research this stuff, so I trust their information. Okay, so we're gonna add. Ow, this got hot liquids. We're gonna add to the cup. I'm gonna add it to the cup. See, we have to add it to the cup so you can see what we're doing. We're adding it to the onion. Make sure you can see it. See, we're adding the onion, the thing to the cup. Dude, we have a total of 6. There. 6. These are actually pretty easy and fun, so I feel like most kids would like them. Most adults would like them too. Okay, so now we're gonna add the avocado. I put avocado lime on mine. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but we'll try it. A little bit of avocado lime on there. Hopefully they taste as good as they sound like they will. Ah! There's that. And then we're gonna put on the soy sauce and the teriyaki that I got. What is it called? Gyaki? I just want to make sure you guys have the right ones. It's soy yaki, sorry. So soy bae. Yes, soy bae. And then I used the one with the pineapple and the garlic and the goodies in it. So island teriyaki was the one I used. So we're gonna mix soy sauce with that. I like the fact that it has little sunflower seeds in there. I just feel like it'll add a little more to it. So you are gonna see us try this. And I have a feeling, because everybody that I've seen do it, and the only thing that I'm not adding to mine is the little chili flakes, which a lot of people like them. I just am not, they're not for me. Okay. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Just put the sauce on there and enjoy. So you're gonna watch us try for the first time, and I will put it up this way so you can kind of see. Okay, so we're gonna let everybody kind of go, and I'm gonna let Royal, let's see, how about I let Royal Brother do it first, and then Maddie, it'll be your turn. He can let us know if we should try ours or not. So Royal Brother, come here. You are first. We are torturing you first. Here you go. Here is your very popular, I'm saying not viral, because I hear viral too much, onion dumpling cup. And this has lime, avocado, mayonnaise in it. And then it also has the soyaki, or soy teriyaki with soy sauce. So try one and let me know what you think.
Gotta do it on camera?
Yeah, you do. This is Royal Brother right here. He's going to show you guys what he thinks of our concoction.
Yes.
And normally they use the Asian mayonnaise. I couldn't find it, so we're using this one. So go ahead.
God, there's two things I love. That's onions and mayonnaise.
Oh, it's your favorite.
Yeah.
Hey, it's for the better of the good. You got to try it once in your life.
Yes.
And you know what? Don't yet. I'm going to get a napkin because you're going to need one.
Oh, boy. Share some in your garbage can?
Hey, you know what? If it was a hot buffalo wing, you'd be all over it.
Well, yeah, it's because I like buffalo wings.
He did the hot chip challenge. He did the hot chip challenge, and it was like the biggest thing since sliced bread for Eric.
It tasted good.
For Royal Brother.
Okay, so I just have to eat this?
You just have to try it. So go ahead.
I eat the whole thing at once?
You don't need to scoot up. I want to sit here. Go ahead.
Yeah, you want to be in the audience.
No, I just want to be here.
In the splash zone.
We're on camera.
I'm sorry.